Alright, this is the final go of this. This time we're going to eliminate z's. This may be a little easier, however, I don't want you to get confused, so if you don't like this way, just scratch it. So let's take a look. Alright, so I've done a pair, and normally we do two pairs, but this time I'm only going to do one pair, because the reason why is because one of the equations is already set up to where z is eliminated, so I'm going to use that to our advantage. So in this case, we're going to eliminate z's. So if I'm going to eliminate the z's, I'm going to multiply this bottom one by a -2. So I'm going to just rewrite the first equation. X minus y minus 2z is equal to -6. This bottom one will be, this bottom will be positive 8x minus 2y plus 2z is equal to -24. All right, so here we go. We're going to add these together. X plus 8x, that's 9x. Negative y plus -2y is -3y. These cancel. And -6 plus -24 is -30. That's one of mine. So look at the second equation. There is no z. So since there is no z, it's already been eliminated for me. So I am going to use it as my second equation in my two system steps. I know that might be like, wait a minute, it's two, where's the other step? But if you already have this variable eliminated, you don't need to belabor the process. So we're going to move forward. I am going to eliminate the x's. So I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by -3. So 9x minus 3y is equal to -30. -9x minus 6y is equal to positive 75. These cancel each other. Add these together, we get -9y. Add these together, we get 45. Yep. Let me make sure. Yep. 45 divided by -9. And so y is going to be equal to -5. That is one of them. So now I can take this -5 and plug it in here so that I can get x. So 3x plus 2 times -5 is equal to -25. 3x minus 10 is equal to -25. Add 10, add 10. 3x is equal to -15 divided by 3. X is going to be equal to -5. So now I know y is -5 and x is -5. I'm going to take both of these and plug into one of my equations. Let's go with the top one. Again, you could go with any of them, but this time I'm deciding to go again with the top. So we have x is -5 and y is -5. So -5 minus -5 minus 2z is equal to -6. -5 plus 5 minus 2z is equal to -6. These cancel each other. So all we will be left with is -2z is equal to -6. Divide both sides by -2. Z is equal to 3. So we finally have our answers. Y and x were both -5. So, sorry. X and y were both -5. And z was 3. That's your final answer in coordinate form.